Hi friends, I am Amruta Patil and I am making video on how to find upper bound and lower bound. We will learn about upper bound and lower bound through example. Example is x is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Relation is such that x is less than equal to y and x divides y. Find upper bound and lower bound for 5, 10 and also for 5, 10, 2 and 4. To find exact upper bound and lower bound, we have to draw hash diagram. The relation is x divides y and x is less than equal to y. So we are taking smallest element at bottom, which is 1. Then comes 2, 4 and 5. But 2 divides 4, so we are joining 1 and 2 and 1 and 5. Then comes 4 and we are joining 2 and 4 because 2 divides 4. Also 5 and 2 are both divides 10, so we are joining them. 5 divides 25, so we are joining them. Then comes 20 and 50, 2, 4 and 10. These three elements are divisible to 20, but we are not joining 2 and 20 because it is transitive relation. Then 10 and 25 and 5 are divisible to 50. Same 5 and 50 we are not joining because it is transitive. Then comes last element which is 100. And 100 is divisible to all the elements, but we are joining to 20 and 50 only because 25, 4, 10, these elements come in transitive relation and we do not show transitive relation in hash diagram. So we can observe that in this hash diagram it is transitive, reflexive and antisymmetric, so it is poset. Now we have hash diagram and now we will find upper bound of 5 and 10. Upper bound means downward path to all element in set. So we have to check element which are above 5 and 10. So the elements above 5 and 10 are 10, 25, 20, 50 and 100. Firstly we will check 10. So we can see that there is bond between 5 and 10 and 10 and 10 itself because it's reflexive. Secondly we will check 25. The bond between 5 and 25 is there, but there is no bond between 10 and 25. Next we will check 20. There is bond between 10 and 20, but there is no direct bond in 5 and 20. But it is transitive relation, so 20 is also upper bound. Then we will check 50. There is bond between 10 and 50 and 5 and 50 there is transitive relation. Now we will check 100. There is no direct bond but there is transitive relation, and we can say that 5 and 10 both are divisible to 100, so there is upper bound. So basically upper bound are 10, 20, 50 and 100. Now we will find lower bound of 5 and 10. Lower bound means upward path to all elements in set. So we have to check elements which are below 5 and 10. The elements which are below 5 and 10 are 1 and 2 and 5 itself. So we will check firstly 1. There is bond between 1 and 5 and there is transitive relation between 1 and 10. So 1 is lower bound. Now we will check 2. There is no bound between 2 and 5, so it is not lower bound. Now we will check 5. There is bound between 5 and also in between 5 and 10. So it is lower bound. So lower bound are 1 and 5. Now we will move towards second example, which is have to find upper bound and lower bound of 2, 4, 5 and 10. So firstly we will see that which elements are above 2, 4, 5 and 10. So we can see that 20, 50 and 100. These elements are above 2, 4, 5 and 10. Firstly we will check 20. There is transitive relation between 2 and 20. There is bond between 4 and 20. There is again transitive relation between 5 and 20 and bound between 10 and 20. Secondly, we'll check 50. There is transitive relation between 2 and 50 and there is no bound between 4 and 50. So 50 is not upper bound. Then we will check 100. There is no direct bound between 2 and 100, but 2 is divisible to 100 and also 4, 5 and 10 are divisible to 100. So 10 is upper bound. So upper bound are 20 and 100. Now we are moving towards last part of example. We have to find lower bound of 2, 4, 5 and 10. So we have to see that which elements are below 2, 4, 5 and 10. We can see that 1 and 2 are these elements. Firstly, we will check for 1. There is direct bound between 1 and 5 and 1 and 2 and transitive relation between 1 and 10 and also in between 1 and 4. So 1 is lower bound. Then we will check for 2. There is reflexive relation between 2 and 2. There is no bound between 2 and 5. So 2 is not lower bound. So lower bound are only 1. I have explained how to find upper bound and lower bound. If you have cleared your concept, please like my video.